Let's look at the fraud laws in California, specifically the criminal penalties outlined by the California Department of Justice's Division of Medi-Cal Fraud and Elder Abuse. Medi-Cal is California's Medicaid program, providing health care to millions of low-income and disabled residents. Let's break down the key laws and penalties designed to combat fraud related to these services. These are not the usual California Penal Code sections. These medical service crimes are found in a section of the law called the Welfare and Institutions Code. First, under Welfare and Institutions Code section 14014, it's illegal to make false declarations to receive Medi-Cal benefits you're not eligible for. It is also a crime to encourage other people to do so. This could involve lying about income or residency to qualify for health care. Penalties for this offense depend on the severity. It can be charged as a misdemeanor with up to 6 months in county jail and a fine of up to $1,000, or as a felony, carrying 16 months to 3 years in county jail. Next, Welfare and Institutions Code, Section 14107, addresses fraudulent claims. This law targets anyone who submits a false claim for payment for goods or services with the intent to defraud Medi-Cal. It also applies to those who knowingly submit false information to get more compensation than they're entitled to. For example, billing for services that were never provided or inflating costs. Violations here are serious and can lead to felony charges, with penalties including up to 3 years in county jail and significant fines. Welfare and Institutions Code, Section 14, 107.2, subsection A, is often enforced against doctors who do business with non-physicians. It prohibits kickbacks, bribes, or rebates. The law says that it is a crime to solicit or receive any kickback, bribe, or rebate in return for either referring or promising to refer a person to provide goods or services, or purchasing, leasing, or ordering goods or services. So if you have a urology practice and you don't want to deal with supplying catheters, a referral to a fulfillment company can be a crime if that company pays you for the referral. Many practices get around this by providing some level of service to the patient so that the compensation is not a kickback. Beware, we are very wary of this practice, although it has gone unpunished for many years. There are many other crimes and many other statutes relating to healthcare fraud. This is just a sampling of a few.
The Horowitz Law Office specializes in medical fraud defense. Daniel Horowitz has been a law professor and has taken over 200 cases to trial. If you are charged with fraud, call Daniel Horowitz at 925-283-1863. Thank you for watching our video.